This is an auto ratio reflux still with a fractionating column. It's easy to build. There's a link below to the instructions and guide. So now I'll show how it's put together. I use an induction hob because there's no worries with flames or anything like that. This is a good quality 25 litre pot from online. It's a good solid unit and it's obviously induction cooker ready. The lid I've modified to take the column using a 2-inch pipe connection, which being measured by the inside diameter takes the 2-inch tube column. So better show you the seal. The seal is a loop of soft drip line irrigation tubing which I've just heat welded together and then smoothed off. Perfect lid for this because it has this high lid. You just stretch it on. That will sandwich between the lid and the saucepan. So on with that. And these clips are all that's necessary. I won't put them all on today. I'll use 8 or so of them. Or the 6. There's 8. Next the column goes on. It's the sealing of the column, uses a polythene tube, large diameter polythene tube held in with a tube clamp. So it slides down, rests against the polythene section, which when the pot's running heats up, softens the tube, and the weight of the tube's enough to seal it. I use stainless steel pot scrubbers. Really good fractionating medium these are. Never use ratchet rings or saddles. Just gently tamped into place as you can see. It's just so long as there's no voids in there. It takes a few. These are large type stainless steel ones. Get from the $2 shops. Here we go. Getting there. Close. I'll put a small one in. Let him go. Because I want to leave enough room for a copper one at the top to help take out. Now, just show. Just up, not past the top of the column, just below the joiner section. Next, the magic part, the collector cup. The collector well is just 15% of the circumference for very good reason, because the falling condensate will be only 15% will be intercepted, 85% reflux. the thermometer tube just takes it at this end so that the thermometer tube just protrudes into view. It seals then against the rim so there's no leakage. And then that. And that just fits onto there. As you can see, it's just a easy fit. The condenser is the other magic part. Between these two and this large diameter Liebig condenser, the rising vapours condense evenly and then descend down, and with 15% being caught, it meets the fractionating medium, then just migrates into it all the way down. Next on goes the... So it's that simple. Just fill her up, run at 2 kilowatts till it starts to boil, it takes about an hour, then reduce it to a kilowatt. I'll do another video when I'm actually doing a run and to disassemble. Simplest thing in the world, there's no screws to undo. Now I've been using this design, or its predecessor, which had a narrower. This is its predecessor, which had an adapter to fit in, and it was a 1.5 inch. I used that for about 10 years. Never failed me. But this is the one I always aimed for with its 2-inch condenser. And I just, by the way, because there's no back pressure to speak of, that's all you got to do with the inlet and the outlet. It's just push on, driven by an 8-watt fountain, submersible. But like I said, I'll give a complete rundown on another video of it in operation. Just keeps the pipe expanded enough to... So, dismantling, easy peasy. So, if you want, I always take them out and rinse them at the end of the day. Always fill up the entire ½ metre with fractionating medium. What's really great about this particular design is that you don't have to fiddle with it with a pin valve to get your correct ratio returning, refluxing down the column. It's all automated. Simple, but it's the marriage of these two that do the job. Even condensation guarantees the reflux and collection rate. I can always increase the reflux, but I can't decrease it below 85%. So there you go.